how to change or customize your Safari start page. So for example, when you open your Safari right here, you will meet this Safari start page, and to change it, you can just visit on any website that you would like to be the start page of the Safari. For example, I want to do it with YouTube. And then after you open your website, you can just go to top left of your screen and then choose on this Safari beside the Apple logo. And then you want to click on settings, and then you want to go to general right here. And then on the home page, you want to click this set to current page. There you go. And then on the new Windows, you want to open with home page. And then on the new tabs, you want to open with home page. And there you go. So for example, when I open my Safari, it will go straight to YouTube. And when I do a new window, it will go to YouTube again. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.